Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my version of an Israeli salad. It's the copycat from Avra Restaurant. It's so good. But before we get started, can you make sure you go down and hit the subscribe button? I'd love to have you here as a regular. Comment, send me notes, tell me what you're thinking, what you want to make, what recipes inspire you. I'd love to hear. All right, so let's get to it. It's the Israeli salad. I've knocked it off from Avra Restaurant. It's so delicious, so refreshing, perfect for summer. Let's get started.
Okay, you guys, you are going to love this one. It has only 7 ingredients. We're talking cabbage, cucumbers, tomatoes, red onion, flat leaf parsley, lemon juice, and olive oil. Let's start by prepping. I wash the veggies first, then I chop the cucumber. First, I cut off the ends, slice it in half, then cut each half into thirds. Finally, I dice it up into small, even pieces. Did you know cucumber is over 95% water? It's super, super hydrating, and it's rich in vitamin K. Next up, the red onion. I peel it, slice it, and dice it into small pieces. Red onion isn't just flavorful, it's a good source of vitamin C, which also supports your immune system. And it has quercetin, a plant compound known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. Then I grab my tomatoes. I slice and dice them to match the size of the other veggies. Tomatoes are loaded with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that help protect your skin and supports heart health. They're also a great source of vitamin C and potassium. Look at them, just beautiful. Drop them into the bowl. Moving on to the cabbage, I remove the outer leaves, slice it lengthwise, then give it a quarter turn and slice it the other way so you get a nice fine dice. Cabbage is high in fiber, it's high in vitamin C. It also contains vitamin K, which is great for your bones and overall wellness. Look at that. Drop it in a bowl and there you go, your beautiful cabbage. Next comes a lemon. Let's slice that in half and get that prepped. Next up is the beautiful flat leaf parsley. Give it a good chop. Parsley is more than just a garnish. It's rich in vitamin K and vitamin A. And it gives this salad such a fresh, vibrant flavor. Finally, we're gonna put everything in a bowl and look at that. All of your veggies. Don't forget the parsley, Christine, hello. Then I'm gonna give it a nice drizzle of the lemon juice and a little bit of olive oil and salt and pepper. And look at that. It's looking really, really beautiful. These vegetables look amazing. And then you just wanna give it a nice toss, put it all together, mix it up, and there you go. A beautiful Mediterranean salad for entertaining or for just a snack. Of course, I've got to add a little extra pepper because that's just me. Here I go with more pepper.
I literally cannot stop eating this. It came out amazing. Tastes just like the one you get at the restaurant. Way more economical and very delicious. This is perfect for summer, entertaining. I love it. It's so good.
Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.